welcome back to the channel, Road Thrills. Today, we're diving into a car that's making waves in the automotive world of the Citroën 2CV 2025. Now, if you're thinking, hey, isn't that an old classic? You're right, but the 2025 model brings some modern updates while retaining the quirky charm of the original. So, let's jump into a detailed review covering everything from its exterior to performance and, of course, the price. First off, let's talk about the exterior design. The Citroën 2CV 2025 stays true to the iconic look of the original model, but with some key updates. The rounded body, small windows, and distinctive corrugated metal panels are all there, evoking nostalgia for those who remember the original. However, Citroën has given it a more refined, modern touch. The 2025 edition has sleek, updated lines, and the front features a fresh grille with a more dynamic design. The headlights are LED, with a retro circular shape, but they're sharper and more angular, giving the car a futuristic look. The iconic two-tone paint job remains, but now it comes with more vibrant color options to appeal to a younger audience. It's the perfect blend of retro and modern, and it's sure to turn heads on the streets. Moving to the interior, you'll notice that the 2CV 2025 keeps its minimalist charm, but Citroën has introduced a lot of technology. The cabin is small, just like the classic, but now it's equipped with a digital dashboard that blends seamlessly with the vintage feel. The steering wheel is compact and simple, with a modern touch of leather. The seats are comfortable and come in a range of materials, including eco-friendly fabrics and leather options. The front seats are surprisingly supportive for a car of this size, and there's more than enough space for two passengers. The rear seats are quite cramped, though, and really only suitable for short trips or kids. But the overall design gives off a sense of simplicity and practicality. Citroën has included some modern amenities, like a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. The infotainment system isn't overwhelming, keeping things simple and intuitive, in keeping with the 2CV's original spirit. As for performance, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is surprisingly peppy, especially for its size. It comes with an electric motor, in line with Citroën's commitment to sustainability. The car delivers about 100 horsepower, which isn't a lot in comparison to other electric vehicles, but remember, this is a compact, lightweight car. The powertrain gives it enough zip to zip around the city, and its top speed of around 90 miles per hour makes it perfect for urban driving. The 2CV 2025 is equipped with a single-speed transmission, which makes driving around town smooth and stress-free. You can feel the lightweight design when driving. It's agile and maneuverable, perfect for tight city streets or parking in small spaces. Plus, the low center of gravity gives the car good stability, even on slightly uneven surfaces. Overall, the performance of the Citroën 2CV 2025 is exactly what you'd expect from a small city car. It's not built for speed or high-performance thrills, but it delivers just the right amount of fun for daily commutes. Now, let's talk about the price. The Citroën 2CV 2025 is priced starting around Danish 20,000, which makes it an affordable entry in the electric vehicle market. It's positioned as a fun, eco-friendly alternative to the more expensive electric cars on the market today. Of course, the price may vary depending on the trim and customization options you choose, but it's clear that Citroën is aiming to make the 2CV 2025 accessible to a broad audience. To sum it up, the Citroën 2CV 2025 is a brilliant mix of nostalgia and modernity. With its charming exterior, comfortable and tech-forward interior, and fun performance, it's a car that appeals to both those who remember the classic and new buyers looking for something a little different. And with its reasonable price, it's hard not to be excited about the future of this iconic little car. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time on Road Thrills.